Have you ever ruined an expensive cut of meat because you were guessing when it was done, or found yourself waiting around for a slow, outdated dial thermometer while the heat escaped from your grill? If you are ready to master your cooking, eliminate the guesswork, and serve perfectly juicy meals every single time, you need to see this. We are looking at the ultimate kitchen and backyard upgrade, the ultra-fast digital instant read meat thermometer. This isn't your standard ordinary kitchen gadget that takes 5 to 10 seconds just to give you a shaky reading. This is a high-precision culinary tool engineered to deliver an accurate temperature reading in an astonishing 0.5 seconds, packed with an incredible precision tolerance of just $/PM 0.5 $/circ/text $. It gives you professional chef levels of accuracy right at your fingertips. What makes this vibrant red thermometer a must-have accessory is how incredibly versatile and user-friendly it is. It features a bright, easy-to-read backlit digital display that automatically rotates, making it perfect for both left and right-handed cooks, whether you're hovering over a dark nighttime barbecue or checking a roast deep inside the oven. The long, fold-out stainless steel probe keeps your hands safely away from the heat, and it's completely waterproof, meaning you can easily rinse it off under the tap without a worry. From tracking delicate candy temperatures and baking bread to searing the perfect medium-rare steak on the grill, it handles it all. Plus, with its sleek design and built-in magnet for easy fridge storage, it makes the absolute perfect birthday or holiday gift for any dad, husband, or home cook looking to level up their game. Whether you're hosting a massive summer backyard barbecue, roasting a holiday feast for the family, or just whipping up a quick weeknight dinner, it completely transforms how you cook. If you are ready to stop sacrificing flavor to overcooked meat and start hitting the perfect temperature every single time, click the link below for the best price available right now. Trust me, your taste buds and your guests will thank you.